Hi, my name's Tony, and if this is your first time here, I'm a lawn care owner-operator in Georgia, and I'm here to come alongside you in your lawn care journey. I make videos every Wednesday and Saturday. I reply to all my comments, so let's get into the video. Alright boys, so I thought that last video when I showed the skag was the last clip I had, but I actually had this one that I found from like later in the summer, and it's a cool mowing clip, so I didn't want to just waste it. And plus, hey, I'm already missing the skag, so I'm already missing it, so we got to replace it with something coming up. So a lot of exciting things. Supposed to get a demo, have a mower, you know, a rep from a company come out and demo a mower. So y'all stay tuned for that. That will be cool. But yeah, it's just you know, a lot of cool stuff coming up. I got to get a new mower by the end of the year, so we're gonna be working on that. See, I'm coming back with them double cutting it. I don't really like how my software time lapse this, but you know, regardless of it. Alright boys, so here's Bermuda in the front. Looking good, double cut it. I'll show you the big piece over here. Double cut it and then blow it off, because there's a lot of clippings. There was. This is a bi-weekly, and man, this time of year, this Bermuda grows. It's probably 6 or 8 inches, you know, for a cut. So, alright then, I'll pull a few weeds. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, so pruning them on the side of this hill. Take a look how the deer, look how much they eat. See, it's full right there, and then the deer just eat those like crazy. They're eating all these around. You're kind of letting these grow in because they're new. But look at this. Isn't that funny? So right there, the deer eat there down. So I always just have to just prune the top part. That's funny. I started running 89 in the 2-stroke mix because it says on the steel bottle to run 89. And I was curious, what are you guys running like in your 2-stroke? So what I do is I run the 89 gas, and then I have to put that back and then get the receipt and then scan it card again and do the regular gas, fill up the truck and the mowers. My Snapper Pro has a great, has 2 gas tanks, so that's really nice. But that's what I gotta do. So let me know if how y'all do about the 89 thing.